Alright guys, hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Kai for those of you who are new. In today's video it's going to be a get ready with me plus kind of like a hair review. So today's hair or this unit comes from Beauty Forever Hair. It's one of their body wave units and I have it in 16 inches. So what I'm going to do for you is do my makeup, then I'm going to do my hair, and I'm going to show you guys my outfit for my for a dinner that I'm going to tonight. So if you would like to see how I get my look and how I fix my hair and my outfit, then continue to watch.
Also subscribe to my channel if you got this far.
I'm also probably just going to show you guys what products I use. Not really going to talk too much about them, just which ones I use. Alright guys, so my makeup is pretty much done. I'm going to do like some final touches at the end, but for right now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and start on my hair. I think I'm just going to add some curls and probably leave it with the side part. So, from what you can see from the frontal, I have plucked it just a slight bit. I really didn't do that much to it, so it kind of just came naturally like this. It is versatile. You can wear it. It's a lace frontal, so you can wear it in the middle, you can wear it on the side, whichever one you would like to do. It isn't a 360 frontal, so you can't wear it up in like a high ponytail or anything, but it has a nice pattern to it. This is washed and blow dry. I mean, not blow dry, air dry, by the way. So this is the pattern that you get after you wash it when it gets to you. So I'm just going to probably do like some wand curls is what I'm thinking. So the two styling tools that I'll be using today on this wig will be this curling wand and then my hot comb. This is very old, I would say. I took it from my mother and I'm pretty sure she's probably had it for a good minute. So Mom, if you're watching this, sorry. But not sorry. We all do that. We take stuff from our parents. So thanks, Mom. Alright guys, so this is the completed look of the hair. Like I said, the hair is freaking gorgeous and beautiful. It has a nice density to it. It is nice and full. Here's like a zoom out of it so you can see exactly what it looks like, and the length on me has a nice good length to it. I'm going to put everything in the description box that you need as far as information on how to purchase the wig as well. But I do want to let you guys know that this wig is definitely affordable and in the human hair form, shall I say. It comes pre-plucked, so I really like the fact that it came pre-plucked. I'm going to insert a clip of how it came when I first got the unit and took it out of its packaging before I bleached it. The bleaching of the knots took very well as well. It hasn't had any big amount of shedding. It comes with combs in the cap as well as adjustable straps. I did use the adjustable straps on there and make it just a little bit tighter to be a little bit more firm fitting to my head. But other than that, you guys, it's just one of the I would say this is one that I would definitely recommend purchasing as far as being able to wear it out to dinner like I am about to do right now, or wearing it to the office, to your job. I like this unit and I haven't had any problems out of it whatsoever from styling, and I really like the fact that I didn't have to do a lot of plucking. So if you guys are interested in the unit, make sure you check out the description box below. If I didn't answer any of your questions about the wig, just leave the comment below and I'll make sure I answer it for you. But let's go ahead and get into the outfit. And other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you later. Go.